The sky in the morning is not complete without the sun. The sky in the night is not complete without the moon. But the sky in the night with the moon is not beautiful without the stars. Much stars try cool interstellar. Interstellar, he will be nothing without the only one God and the Almighty. He is our God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Lord of the world, the Master of judgment, the Creator of everything. He makes nothing to be something. He makes no one to be someone. He makes impossible to be possible. He only needs to say, kun fayakun, be and it is. So that's why you can look at the strongest who speak in front of you all. Of course, I am Hilyatul Ula. Yeah, Sukarno is the president of Indonesia. George Washington is the president of USA. Louis Napoleon Bonaparte is the president of France. But Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the prophet and the messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He doesn't have the Instagram, but he has many followers more than us. He doesn't have the Facebook, but he has many Sharia Irani will in this world need too. He isn't a YouTuber, but he has many subscribers more than us. He is battle from the darkness to the lightness, from the bad moral to the good moral, from Jahiliyah era to Islamiyah era, namely Islam religion. In the next, my honorable to Abu Falaki into Pinraya, Allahumma ghafir My honorable to Abon Bukhari in Gampong Teungoh and family. My honorable to 54th anniversary celebration. My honorable to the judges. My honorable to the MC. And my special honorable is to the all of student Darussa'Adah. Ladies and gentlemen, in this time, I electable abundant about Islam, the true religion. Islam, the true religion, belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is Islam. Chapter Al-Imran, verse 19. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna ad-dina 'indallahil Islam wa ma ikhtalafa alladhina utul kitaba illa min ba'di ma ja'ahumul 'ilmu baghyan bainahum wa may yakfur bi ayatillahi fa innallaha sari'ul hisab. The meaning is, Islam is the true religion inside of Allah. There is no religion teach and guided direct it. The way of life and spiritual activity like Islam do. Islam is the true religion for all humankind. Islam are the study good in your life. We must gather it and the benefit society or community. Ladies and gentlemen, rahimakumullah. Islam is the true religion, the book by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, the Arabian. Islam has the source of the knowledge, namely the Holy Quran. It includes many spiritual commandments, society code, and the truth value of mankind. Islam is the perfect religion, in the true religion inside of Allah. Islam also pays attention to worldly matter in the hereafter matter. Therefore, the Muslim can find happiness in this hereafter. According to the United States National Counter-Terrorism Center, Al-Qaeda killed over 7 times the more Muslim than non-Muslim. According to the United Nations report, Muslims are the largest victim of ISIS. According to the United Nations Department, Muslims are also the largest victim of terrorism in general. So the only relationship between Islam, terrorist Islam. In the other authentic hadith by Imam Al-Bukhari, the Prophet of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, Inna dina yusra wa la yushadda ahadun illa ghalabahu fasadadu wa qaribu wa abshiru wasta'inu bil ghadwati wa rawhati wa shay'in minah. A true Muslim is that one from whose tongue and hand Muslim are safe. Ladies and gentlemen, rahimakumullah. It is very clear that Islam gives a warning against every act of terrorism. And we surely understand if the act of terrorism even committed by a Muslim, meaning that they have violated relation to the Quran and to the Sunnah. Only people who love peace can be called Australian Muslim. Oh my noble brothers, maintaining peace is one of the high desires of mankind in this age and time. However, unfortunately, peace is becoming more difficult to find anywhere. From this speech, we can be take conclusion. We have to do the philosophy of life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Particular, we have to do the prayer 5 times only with Jama'ah in Damascus. Because in Demepam, there is a person who going salat on time what will be given the fourth guarantee. The first is, he will be awarded on his livelihood. The second is, the punishment of capture will be removed from him. The third is, he will revive the book of Amal with his right hand. The fourth is, he will be entered the paradise without threatening. There is no way to success escape the following of life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Also say, Man ahya sunnati fazada ahabbani, wa man ahabbani kunna min jalihi fil jannati. Whoever revive my way of life acts will love me. Whoever love me will be together in the paradise. From maintaining peace is one of the highest desires of mankind in this age and time. However, unfortunately, peace is becoming more difficult to find anywhere. There is a lot of it going on many peace. Everyone considers themselves as the right one of others as the wrong ones, without trying to better understand each other. Islam offers the real peace for the whole of mankind. Thank you very much for your attention. Maybe I speak in from unpoliteness. I mistake, I really might apology. My Hilyatul Ula, the messenger of Darussa'Adah SMA Gampong Teungoh. See you in the next year tomorrow. I see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yes, thank you for me. Kalah. Ya, Dewan Hakim yang mulia, yang baru saja tampil adalah peserta pemegang nomor undian 456 atas nama Hilyatul Ula, utusan YPI Darussa'Adah Aceh SMA Gampong Teungoh, Kecamatan Sawang, Kabupaten Aceh Utara, dengan judul syarahan Islam the True Religion.